How to add subtitles in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, say for example, you want to do subtitles manually. You don't have the option to create it automatically here in Premiere Pro. What you are going to do is this one. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the parts here where I want to add the subtitle. For example, the first one here is, "Hey guys." Alright, "Hey guys." Alright, just like so. Now from this point forward, I'm just going to go ahead and click the T and then go ahead and click the video itself. And then we're also going to go ahead and open our essential graphics. Now here in our essential graphics, what we are going to do is click this and then we're going to go ahead and start typing. Alright, so the first one earlier is "Hey guys." So I'm just going to go ahead and type here, "Hey guys," just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and click the center, and we're also going to go ahead and click this one right here, click this, and then we're just going to go ahead and put it down below. Now, another thing that is very important is the font, so I'm going to go ahead and just choose Tahoma, and maybe we can choose bold, and we're going to go ahead and add some shadow in it, and the shadow is going to be black. Now I'm going to set the size of this to around 80 and we're going to go ahead and put it down below. Now the reason why we were cutting this earlier, the audio, is for this purpose. So now we know where we are going to put the subtitle. It says here, this is how you are going to add. Now another thing that is very important is that if the subtitle is quite long, you're going to have to cut it and put it down below. Now the reason why we are doing that one is because we don't want the audience or the viewers to basically watch from here to here. Okay, we want them to be attentioned at the center. Alright, just like so, now we have created a subtitle. Now let's go ahead and try to check it out. I'm going to hit the play button. Hey guys, this is how you are going to add auto captions here in Premiere Pro. And that is how to add subtitles in Premiere Pro.